Hey guys, we are back with another video and sisterhood coffee. I was gonna say sisterhood of the traveling coffee, but that doesn't sound right. Let's just hop into the video. So I wanted to talk to you guys about Karity. You probably already know about the brand. I think that I've talked about it on my channel before, but I haven't really done an in-depth, I wouldn't necessarily call this a review, and this isn't a first impression because I feel like first impressions are misleading. You feel a certain way about the product as soon as you get it, and then after you've tried it for a little while, your ideas about it change. And so I like to use a product for a little while before I actually talked about it. And I don't think I have so many products here that I really want to talk to you guys about, and I'm finally like organizing how I want my channel to be, so I'm feeling pretty excited about it, and I just went off on a tangent. Karity is a brand that has become popular in recent years. They are sold online. They're not in a drugstore. If they were to be in a drugstore, I would probably buy everything. Karity is an affordable brand that brings you pigmented products. I mean, sound like somebody was trying to come in my window. I have yet to come across a Karity palette that I did not absolutely love. I'm not the hardest makeup critic because I take into consideration how hard it is to make products, how much money goes into it. I look at a lot of different things. I do, however, want the product to work well for me. Also, keep in mind, I don't have allergies that I'm really dealing with unless the product was made with cats or strawberries. I'm allergic to cats and strawberries. If you have allergies to different products like talc, I don't see mineral oil in here. I don't see mineral oil, but I do see, dear Lord, I can't pronounce this, polymethylsilicane. That is a silicone to me. It ends in XANE, and those are silicones, so I'm guessing that that's some sort of derivative from mineral oil. So this is, it has talc, it has a byproduct of silicone in it, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll look it up and then I'll put it down here somewhere, so I don't want to say something wrong about the product. So if those are something that you're allergic to, you might want to, you know, can I even get it out? Using products like talc and mineral oil give you a product that is not as expensive as some other products because you're able to make it for less money. It's cost effective. But Karity is one of the few products that I've come across where it's less expensive and the colors are amazing, well pigmented. I don't know how they do it, but this palette right here is the Picante palette. I used it to do this look right here. I was just drawn to, you know, anything that has these warm colors in it, I'm just drawn to. And I mean, look at that, Picante. Like, it just made me want to pick it up and use it. It's beautiful. It's got these like super fall-ish colors. It feels very fall. But you know what, to be honest, this isn't a palette that you could use only in the fall or only in those colder weathers. I'm feeling very summery from, even though it does feel more fall. These are colors that you could wear, I would wear in the summertime. So this is like a year-round freaking palette. Oof, dear Lord. One of the things that I love about this company is that they're cruelty free and they also give back to animals. They are not vegan, however, because carmine is in the product, so you have to be careful if that's something that you're not really interested in. Carmine is, for lack of a better way to explain it, crushed bugs. Their products are cruelty free, but they're not vegan just because of the carmine. And carmine is a product that's used in a lot of different makeup brands, and it's been being used for years and years. And I'm sure there's millions of YouTube videos you can look up and search online and do your, you know, search thing to figure out, you know, carmine and what it has to do with makeup. This is not a science channel. I try to stay away from science. I barely liked science in school, so we're just not even gonna go there. I'm just giving you little bits of information. When I started to use this palette, one thing that I noticed is that the colors blend really well with each other. You would think that with the palette that was inexpensive, that's more on the affordable range, that the colors would become muddy when they're layered on top of each other, but I didn't find that to be the case. I also didn't have any trouble blending them out. I only used 5 colors, only, that's only. You could use one color and do a really nice look. For this particular look, I used 5 colors and all of these colors blended really well with each other. I was really surprised at how pigmented the color bronze turned out. You guys can see that when I apply it to my lid. I didn't really necessarily want a cut crease. I just wanted the shimmery color in the center to just kind of poke out, you know, through the makeup. But it turned out very beautiful, very vibrant. I didn't have to spray the color with any sort of spray in order to make, like, boost it up. I actually did that yesterday when I initially recorded this, and if you guys follow my Snapchat, then you'll know that I tried to record this, did not hit record, and it was just a hot mess yesterday. I was so stressed out. What was my life yesterday? So yeah, yesterday I sprayed it. Although I didn't have to, it looked absolutely beautiful. So if that's something you want to do, if you just want to lay this on top of your eye and then just, you know, head out the door and go on in your day, somebody's going to tell you that it's a beautiful color, because I had that happen to me yesterday.
Thank you so much.
Also, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a swatch video of this palette. I will link that below when I finish the video so that you guys will be able to see what this color looks like on someone of my skin tone, but also to see what the colors actually look like. Just keep in mind that swatches are not indicative of how the palette actually truly performs. You know, you're swatching in various different ways, and the way that you would actually use the palette on your eye is completely different. Not disappointed. Not disappointed in the least. Although I want to look at the color Embers. These are the shimmer colors that I'm showing you guys. Look at that. I mean, come on. Come on. Matte colors are just beautiful. Look at that. I am going to do a swatch video, although after I've just done this, I really don't see the reason why I need to do a swatch video, but I am going to have a dedicated swatch video to this palette just to show you guys what the colors look like, how the palette looks on skin like mine, and also to give you a full like view of the palette itself. I'll also be putting details in there like how much it costs, where you can find it at, etc., etc. If you like videos like that, let me know in the comments. If you really like this video, please let me know. I really enjoy doing it, and I like making videos that is gonna help you guys. I just want to give a big thank you to Karity for sending me this palette and also a couple of their brushes. I don't know if you guys know that Karity sells brushes as well, and so far all of their brushes that I've used I've really liked. I haven't used these 2 yet, but I will be using them this week. Thank you for the palette. This is going into my collection, and I truly believe that this is one palette that I'm going to be picking up over and over and over again. Even though Karity did send me this palette, I hope you guys know that my thoughts on the palette are what they are. Unfortunately, I get sent some palettes that I really don't like, and a video like that is coming up this week, and I feel really bad when I don't like the product. I feel like, how dare I say anything negative about a product that someone put a lot of time and energy into, but at the same time, the whole reason why I have this channel is so that I can talk to you guys about what are favorites of mine, what has worked for me, so that it could possibly help you out in your search for makeup. All right, guys, I am going to be gone for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Did I tell you guys how much you matter? You do. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video and you give me a thumbs down, that's okay, because a thumbs down is just a thumbs up upside down. Make sure you guys subscribe, y'all. Unfortunately, Jonathan's not here to say it, but it's the right thing to do. I'll see you guys in the next video.